Hi everyone, this is Joe at LuckyVitamin, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Ketogenic Diet. Also known as keto for short, this is a high-fat, low-carb diet. And when you eat fewer carbs, your body enters a state of ketosis. Ketosis is when your body starts burning fat for fuel at a faster pace than normal. Now, a lot of people will go on this diet for weight loss, but there are other benefits as well. But we're here today because there are a lot of myths circulating around the internet about what is right and wrong with the ketogenic diet. So we're here to bust some of those myths today and tell you what the truth is. You can eat all the bacon you want. Keto may be centered on consuming more fats, but saturated fats like bacon can often do more harm than good. Your body enters ketoacidosis. Though it sounds similar to ketosis, ketoacidosis is actually a complication connected to type 1 diabetes. You lose weight and you keep it off. If you want lasting results, you need to adopt keto as a lifestyle and stick with it. You should kick carbs completely. Depriving yourself of carbs may cause brain fog, so keep some healthy ones in your diet. You can't eat fresh produce. Keep fiber-heavy, low-carb fruits and vegetables like raspberries and broccoli in your diet. You're always hungry. Eating more healthy fats and protein and drinking plenty of water can help curb carb cravings. Seeing success with the ketogenic diet is all about striking the right balance, so be sure to take time to learn the nutritional needs of your own body. And, as with any dietary change, it's a good idea to speak with your doctor or a dietitian before you make any shifts. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you know anything about the keto diet that you'd like to share with us. And as always, spread the wellness.